Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert printer symbol in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see this is my Keynote presentation. Now go to the first slide on the presentation and go to the shape menu, and you can see here are many categories on the shape. Now I am go to the symbol, and you can see here are many symbols. Now I am search my printer symbol. Now scroll down and search this symbol. Now you can see this is a printer symbol. Now click this and insert it. Now increase or decrease the symbol easily, move the symbol easily. Now go to the third slide and again go to the shape menu and insert printer symbol. Now now I'm changing the symbol color. Now firstly select the symbol and you can see this is the symbol color. Now change the symbol color. Now click this and here you can see here are symbol or more color. Now click this and you can see here are more color. Now I'm select this color and select this color easily. Now you can see insert printer symbol in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.